friends, and welcome to a Causebox unboxing. This thing is super duper heavy, so I'm gonna immediately set it down. And I don't believe that it includes my marketplace orders that I was telling y'all about last time, but it's like a heavy monstrosity. And I don't recall the picks that I've made for the things that I did get to pick out, which is extra super duper exciting and kind of one of my favorite parts. So loving the print. We have our little magazine. They give spoilers, don't they? Oh, this is one that's more of a magazine. Community. I don't feel like I never read magazines anymore, and I felt like that was going to be something I did when I was younger. Like, I used to fantasize about being a grown-up reading magazines. Look at that. I love the custom stickers each month. And I'm terrible and tear the paper outside of it because I want to keep it. Oh, look at this cute postcard. I love it. It is a fully functioning postcard, but I'm not going to send it. I'm going to frame it. It's so cute. Oh my gracious. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay. The 6-pack reusable silicone stretch lids. Yeah. I have a single one of these and it's so neat. So I was so excited to see that it has like all different sizes, from like the littlest little ones to like a proper good size. And you can put it over any bowls, you know, Tupperware style or not. So they can be like a gosh darn cereal bowl, or just stretch it over the top. I like it for like prepping. Like, I'm a terrible meal prepper, but I'm good at, you know, getting like some of the ingredients ready. So if you want to get them ready so that you can cook fresh and then, you know, pre-chop everything, you can save them just like that. Or if you make something and your child's like, oh, actually, I want not that at all. You know, pop a lid on, you serve it to them again later down the road. So next up, it's a new reed diffuser. I picked a reed diffuser in both boxes, or I was given one. Maybe I only picked one of them, but I love the style of the one that I got from FabFitFun, but the scent, nada. It had it out for a month. I've gotten nothing. No smells yet. It's probably gonna be sealed real nicely. So this one here is white tea and ginger. So the reeds for this one are more of the traditional light colored reeds. Instead of a fancy holder that you pour into, it is just a little bottle. And every diffuser provides clean water to places that need it most. The smelliest give back company. I love that. And oh, I like that it's actually hand signed by the person that fills it, which is super duper rad. And I love personal touches like that. All right, get the sealant off, and that is gorgeous. Oh wow. So I am gonna tighten that up real nicely, and I'd like to say, oh, and give it as a gift. No. I'm going to bring it to my brand new classroom that I get pretty ding darn soon. And I'm going to make it smell pretty. All right, next up, Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Uses chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, and baby ointment. Ooh, a little picture of baby bump. Ooh, it's like ointment. Oh, I don't like that word, but here we go. Ointment. Let's see. Really nice and rich. Definitely has that ointment texture, but a slightly more matte feeling. And it's not quite super duper greasy, but it is still, can you see me shine? I'm shiny. feel like I'm super, super quiet because I'm super, super tired. But I was trying to wait for the fireworks to go off, but they're not going to do that. So the Hanawa Hawaiian Skincare Malu SPF 30 Protecting Day Cream. So it is vegan, broad spectrum, palm free moisturizer and sunscreen. And I grabbed this one because, again, FabFitFun also had a sunscreen, but it was a matte effect. And sometimes I like the dewy effect. So I like that this one had a day cream in it. And I usually just use the Aveeno. But since I was running out, I was like, you know what? I have to grab one anyway. This one feels super luxe. It's super duper heavy, like proper glass bottle. And it is only an ounce. But nice neutral smell to it. It does have a little bit of a weirdness to it, but it's rubbing in really nice, and it's just a quick kind of it is quite luminous. But the smell's not terrible. I'm not a super big fan of it. But maybe it's just something that I'm not, I don't know, understanding, getting, I don't know. Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum by Grace and Stella. So apply 2 to 3 drops over cleanse face and neck before crease. And that is just to slough off some of the dad. Like, I am still pretty addicted to that green goop that I've had, and I just can't get myself to buy it. So I keep trying little ones and then just going back to it. But this is gorgeous. That's another fancy bottle. Like, makes me feel like I need like a shelf in my big bathroom. I don't have a big bathroom. You know, I've got one of those where you can sit on the potty and touch the door and the sink and the tub and put your feet in the tub. But if I did, I would put this on it. But I don't, so I'm going to put it somewhere else. But it's really cute. And there's a slight amount of leakage, but it had a double box liner inside the box, which is perfection. And 2 more things. So this was one I was really excited to get. And I think a lot of people are excited because it keeps like selling out. I keep getting emails where they're like, hey, don't forget this intro box. I'm like, hey, still a subscriber. But it is the silicone face washer, which feels so amazing. It's got a little cuppy to it. I'll figure out what that is in a moment. And it vibrates, and I really like my handheld silicone washer. It feels really good, and it works really well. And I thought that this little doodad would be really neat, and it just sell out like constantly. So I'm like, maybe some people know what they're doing. So it's got a massaging head side, it's got a scrubbing head side, and was that just to protect it? Like, that's such a nice plastic. There we go. Forgot it. Use anti-aging. Oh, this is the anti-aging massager. Ooh. 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 I like it. And it even included the AA battery, which is branded in the same PMD brand, powered by Brilliant Confidence. I like it. So it's just a regular AA. It does not need to be plugged in. It does not have a plug option either. But who really needs that when it's pretty darn simple to use the battery? If the battery life is good on it, that's it. It plugs right in there, and it says it's got 4 modes. Ooh. Well, I'll tell you what, it does not feel like any face cleaner, face massager I've ever felt. But it does feel like a powerful, personal massager. you know. So they don't actually say anything about why we get that fancy little plastic cup. And I really like this little plastic cup. Like, I feel like I would use this a lot. Like a strange amount. Like, for stirring things, for mixing, for getting the spices ready. You know, I like it. So, except before, the box is gorgeous. I love to keep them. And this is the last one. I remember picking out bowls, and I don't remember exactly what they were. But there are the pepper and vetiver bowls. And, of course, this being Causebox, it is also something that is good for the world. And this one in particular is also good for girls. So this product supports the Malala Fund, a nonprofit working to ensure every girl can learn and lead, because over 130 million girls are out of school. So I'm going to carefully unpack this and probably repack it. And I picked this one out because I love this color. And there's only one bowl in this color. But that was a big enough reason for me to pick it over all of the other options, because it is so beautiful. So it includes that one, a blue that also has that green as a little stripe. How gorgeous. And then this dark blue that has the prior light blue as a stripe. So just really stunning, like, kitchen to table bowls. Like, I want to just put food and serve food on it. I think that's gorgeous. I'm going to pack it real carefully and store it away for when that's the part of my life that I am in. Because that is not right now. So, we've got to save for much later, save for end of August. So, like a month. Golly. And balm, using right away. Sunscreen, using right away. To clean my face, using right away. And I'm currently using a different product right now, so I might just tuck it for a bit. But I'm also super curious and I want to try immediately. So, who's to say? And then, of course, I could just use these right away, but I think I'm also going to put these in my kitchen box. I was going to say hope chest. I'm like, it's not a hope chest. Like, I've got a stockpile going on now, little by little. So I'm going to store these ones because I don't want them to be lost, because they're really helpful and useful. And I was also kind of thinking that I could use them in tandem with these new bowls. It comes full circle. So I absolutely loved everything. If I remember, I will try to put the prices on. Should we run through them real quick? All right, let's run through them super duper quick. Let's say cleaner, the face cleaner, a $99 value. The Reed diffuser, which you could get either in white tea and ginger or bergamot and grapefruit. And I get like everything in bergamot because I love it because it's amazing. $35 value. The nesting bowls themselves, $36 value for the 3. The stretchy lids, a cheaper option, but one of the more useful, was an $8 value. The hyaluronic serum, a $25 value. So the ones that I specifically chose was the Malu skincare, which was $42 value. You also have the option to do a pair of fringe earrings, which were a $40 value, and they were gorgeous. They were like handmade in India, and they were stunning. But I have stretchers. I don't wear a whole lot of earrings, so I felt like if there was going to be something that special, I wanted it to be something that I could wear or use often. And alternatively, they could get the essential oil roll-on duo, which is Grace for calming and Zest for energizing, and that one is a $30 value. I've got a cheat sheet. And the next one you could have chosen was either the Healing Balm, which is what I grabbed. It's the $30 value. It's great for chapped lips, fresh tattoos, scrapes, and more. And I didn't even know that it says it's only 3 ingredients. It is castor seed oil, glycerin, and hydrogenated castor seed oil. Pretty ding darn natural. And you could have gotten the Juice Cleanse Citrus Bath Salts, which was a $20 value. And I make a lot of bath salts, so I didn't grab that one. So I'm really quite happy. There's not as much picking and choosing as one could do. I think sometimes like we get like, oh, pick the colors or pick the scents. But Causebox is really like, this is what I have to offer you. This is what you're getting this month. And they always do an awesome job, so I am mad about it. That's it. That's all I have. I love you so much.